Amazon FBA allows people, like you and me, to sell and outsource logistics and customer service to Amazon. In fact, Amazon FBA handles the selling on its website, packaging, shipping and delivery of your products to customers, which can be a great way to make money from home today. On the other hand, we see that more and more consumers are choosing to do a lot of their shopping online, at the expense of in-store shopping. So it's only natural that selling on Amazon is a great way to make money in your spare time. Before deciding to invest in buying a product stock to resell on the internet, most new sellers would like to know how much they can earn selling on Amazon. That's why we are going to talk about it in this new video. I will share with you some valuable tips to get you started earning money selling on Amazon FBA. We'll see if it's profitable to sell on Amazon, how much an Amazon seller makes, and how to start selling when you're just starting out. Hi, my name is Richard and you're on my AMZ Seller Tools channel, where I share with you my experience with Amazon FBA, so you too can start your own business and start making money fast to achieve the life of your dreams. Don't forget to subscribe to be notified of my next videos dedicated to selling on Amazon. See you right after this.
Hi, I'm Marjorie. Welcome to our AMZ Seller Tools channel. Don't forget to subscribe to be notified of our upcoming videos. The good news is that you don't need a college degree to start selling on Amazon. You also don't need to have a lot of capital to start selling. That's what makes Amazon FBA so appealing, because it's economical and perfect for beginners. This means that anyone can quickly learn how to make money on Amazon. Among all these advantages, we can mention three main ones. First advantage. It is very easy to get started with Amazon FBA, no technical experience is required. Second advantage. The hours are flexible, you can work 5 hours a week, or 40 hours. You are solely responsible for your work, you don't have a boss or supervisor who puts pressure on you. Third advantage. You benefit immediately from Amazon's reputation on the internet. You don't have to worry about driving traffic to your products, Amazon does it for you.
Amazon is one of the easiest and most effective ways to make money on the internet. For most people, being a good internet marketer means creating your own website. But that's not quite true. When you sell on Amazon, you are the owner of an online store, except that your store is part of Amazon. Amazon allows third-party sellers to sell on its site. This means that you can offer items on Amazon and run your own business on Amazon. You may have noticed, while shopping on Amazon, that not everything offered is sold by Amazon. Yet most Amazon customers don't know that Amazon has third-party sellers who sell on its site. This activity is called fulfillment by Amazon, known as Amazon FBA. You sell items, which are shipped by Amazon. Amazon stores your products and ships them to your customers for you. This allows your products to have the Prime label, which builds customer confidence and increases your sales.
You could earn an extra $1,000 or even $5,000 a month by selling products on Amazon. How would this extra income benefit you and your family? Could selling on Amazon help you pay off debt, pay bills, save money to buy a house, or simply quit your current job? One of the main advantages of making money selling on Amazon is that you are free to set your own hours, and you can work from anywhere, if you have an internet connection. All you need is a computer or a laptop to get started. It is much easier to create your online business on Amazon than it is to create your own website. Amazon gives you a lot of exposure, which is handy for getting started overnight. Submit a description of your product, send your goods to an Amazon warehouse, and you've launched your business on Amazon. According to recent reports, Amazon has over 1.6 million employees worldwide. As of June 2021, Amazon was the most visited e-commerce site in the United States, with approximately 2.45 billion visitors per month to Amazon.com. This means that your products will be offered to a large audience from the start, and your orders will be processed by the best logistics service in the world. So we can answer yes to the question of whether Amazon is still profitable in 2022.
In fact, sellers can take advantage of the tremendous capabilities of Amazon's logistics network. If you choose to participate in Amazon's FBA program, you send your merchandise to Amazon, which handles inventory management, delivery, and customer service. Through this program, your products can benefit from Amazon Prime's expedited 2-day delivery, a service that is popular with shoppers. By 2021, Amazon had about 300 million registered users, including 150 million Prime members. This makes Amazon a great opportunity. With a growing number of customers, Amazon is the perfect platform to grow your business. You can directly start selling on Amazon, accessing a huge audience, without the need to develop any kind of business strategy. Indeed, Amazon's platform works like a web browser. Customers looking for your products can find you without any difficulty. This will allow your business to grow, without the need to invest large amounts of money in marketing.
While this huge audience is a real advantage for sellers on Amazon, it also has its drawbacks. With such a large audience, the level of competition is unmatched. There are many sellers on Amazon that offer identical products. It is up to Amazon's algorithm to decide which one is the best. In 2020, there were about 2 million third-party sellers on the Amazon platform. There are many scammers lurking on the Amazon marketplace. Here's an example of a scam. Someone places a huge order with you at the beginning of a sale period to clear out your inventory and temporarily eliminate you from the competition. Then he cancels and asks for a refund once the sale period is over. You are then left with your stock on your hands once the sale campaign is over. This type of scam is very common on Amazon or any other online shopping platform, so be very careful. In the world, nothing is free. And the benefits of selling on Amazon are no exception. In return for all the services it offers to third-party sellers, Amazon charges a flat fee, which may seem a bit excessive for new sellers. At first, the fee may deter you from selling on Amazon. However, once you get going, it can contribute significantly to the growth of your business. So don't let these financial drawbacks keep you from getting ahead of the curve, and focus on getting your products launched on Amazon.
Selling on Amazon today is more lucrative than ever. During the COVID-19 pandemic period, the volume of Amazon customers increased dramatically, resulting in rapid growth in the number of Amazon sellers. Increasingly, shopping on Amazon's website is becoming the preferred method for most online shoppers, opening up more and more opportunities for sellers. By 2022, 3/4 of sellers are profitable, despite severe supply chain challenges and the ongoing pandemic of COVID-19.
The most successful Amazon sellers record annual sales of over $250,000. Conversely, some sellers struggle to achieve even a small sales volume. If you fall into the latter profile, that doesn't automatically make you an incompetent seller. In fact, it can take up to a quarter for a new salesperson to make their first sales. Here's a chart that shows you the distribution of Amazon sellers by annual income, to give you an idea of the possible income to be made on the Amazon platform. Less than $25,000, 60%. Between $25,000 and $100,000, 15%. Between $100,000 and $500,000, 10% of the revenue. More than $500,000, 5%. Amazon sellers should aim for a profit margin between 25 and 30%. For the record, more than 2/3 of Amazon sellers have a profit margin above 10% and only more than 1/3 have a profit margin above 20%.
How much do beginning sellers make on Amazon? It all depends on the products you sell. Most new FBA sellers on Amazon make monthly sales between €1,000 and €25,000. However, not all sales mean profit margins. To the amount of sales, you have to deduct all the costs, the purchase of your products from your supplier, the shipping costs to an Amazon warehouse, the fees charged by Amazon, the advertising costs, etc.
The time it takes to become profitable will depend on your product choice, the work you put into creating your product listing, your purchase prices, and the amount you invest in Amazon PPC ads. Profitability will also depend on the quality of your product, which will have an impact on customer reviews and therefore on your sales. Regardless, on average, nearly 65% of new sellers made a profit in their first year on Amazon. Let's take a closer look at profitability in number of months. Profitable within 3 months, 20%. Profitable within 3 to 6 months, 25%. Profitable within 6 months to a year, 20%.
Whether you're a part-time or full-time Amazon seller, it's perfectly possible to make high profits. Many sellers have succeeded in selling on the Amazon site, so you can do the same. The statistics speak for themselves. Selling on Amazon is always a lucrative business. You need to invest enough time and work and use the best tools for Amazon sellers. Selling on Amazon has many aspects that require powerful, effective tools to develop your sales. From researching winning products to optimizing keywords, optimizing ads, managing PPC ads, and many other daily soups require reliable tools. Among the best tools you should get is Helium 10, a real toolkit from Amazon Seller, designed to help you with product research, keyword research, ad optimization, PPC ad management, etc. If you want to know how much you can earn selling on Amazon, start making simulations of products to sell right now, using the Chrome Helium 10 extension. In the description, below this video, you'll find a link to the totally free Helium 10 Chrome extension, a calculator that will allow you to integrate your selling price and all your costs to calculate your profit margin ahead of time. To learn more about how to sell your products on Amazon, I invite you to subscribe to our channel to be informed of the release of our next videos on selling on Amazon FBA, so that you too can create your own business and start earning money quickly on the internet. In the meantime, I invite you to click here to watch this new video, and to follow a new training completely free.